Hey y'all, so I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I do my asymmetrical flat twist high puff. So I forgot to record this part, but I did part my hair diagonally, and then what I did from that point is I moisturized my hair with the CrwndNatural Moisturizing Soufflé and their hair refresher. Once I've done that, I'll detangle my hair with the Denman Brush, and then as you can see, I'm starting to do the flat twist. For the twist on the left side of my hair, what I've done is twisted from the back towards the front of my scalp, and then I picked up as I went. So I started off with two strands of hair, and then I did the under and over method all the way until I got to the end where I just grabbed the hair and then I twisted it down. And then I'm going to repeat the same for the right side of my head. However, I'm going to be starting from the front of my head, working my way towards the end. Once I completed both twists, I'll go ahead and grab a bobby pin and then pin them up. I'll start by puffing out my hair just a little bit, and then I'll take the bobby pins, put one on each side. I'd like to put it towards the middle of the bottom of the twist. I don't typically like to put it at the end because I want the ends of the twist to begin to unravel so that it can blend in with the rest of my puff that is left out. So I'll be showing you two styles and how you can wear this. You can either wear it out with the back of your hair, or you can go ahead and put a hairband on it and then go ahead and do it real tight where it pulls it up into a high puff. That's all for this look. It's a super easy, super quick look, and you can do it in two different ways. And if you want to add some spice to the look, you can always add some hair jewelry.